It's
What's
almost...
wrong? What's wrong?
It's almost Halloween! Ooh, and for Halloween, we're gonna make a haunted house in this very classroom. So, are you guys ready to make a haunted house in this classroom? Ha! Don't be scared. So, first, you're going to choose your character. Who do you want to be? I want to be
a pumpkin.
Okay, Heather will be a pumpkin. I want to be
a cowboy.
a cowboy, okay.
I want to be a vampire.
Ooh, a vampire, okay. Ask me, Ben, what do you want to be?
Ben, what do you want to be?
I want to be the devil. So, now, everyone has a character. You will need a sentence. That says, I am a vampire. I am a pumpkin. I am a cowboy. I am
a vampire.
I am a pumpkin.
I am a cowboy.
Yeah. And because you are dangerous, you'll need an action. I am a pumpkin and I will
Eat you.
I will eat you. Okay, that's your sentence.
Okay.
I am a pumpkin and I will eat you.
I am a pumpkin and I will eat you.
Ooh, okay. How about the cowboy? I am a cowboy.
I am a cowboy and I will shoot you.
Ooh, okay. Okay, that's scary.
I am a vampire and I will bite you.
Ooh, someone's gonna bite me. Okay, excellent. So, that was number 2. We have our sentence now. Perfect. Number 3. Number 3, let's organize the room, okay?
Okay.
So, okay, let's put this table here. Let's move
I can
this
take
chair.
that chair. That chair.
Okay, Claire, take this chair.
Okay.
What can we do? Wait, what can we do?
What can we do?
Yeah, let's move this and that and this and that, okay? So in your classroom, you make it so it's a path, okay? So people can go through, move tables, move chairs, make it nice, okay? Okay, that's organized. We organize the room. And now, it's time to rehearse. So, you need a position. Heather, you will be here.
Okay.
Claire, you will be here. And Alex, you will be here. Okay? So, put on your costume. It's week 2. Put on your costume. Okay. I have a costume too. Okay. And now, let's use a flashlight and turn off the lights. You can use your cell phone as a flashlight. There we go. Okay, and let's turn off the lights. Okay, woo. Okay, ready? We're going to rehearse first. So I am going to go through the haunted house. Number 1 is Alex. Number 2 is Claire. Number 3 is Heather. And you will say your sentence, okay?
Okay.
And
Come in.
hello.
Hello. I am a vampire and I will bite you.
Ah!
I am a cowboy and I will shoot you.
Ah!
I am a pumpkin and I will eat you.
Ah! Ah! Excellent, guys. Good job. We are ready to act it. So we rehearsed. Rehearse.
Rehearse.
And number 5, let's act. So let's call your parents, the other kids, the other teacher.
My brother.
Your brother, yes? Okay, let's call everyone and make them go through the haunted house. Okay? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, excellent.